Hi there, welcome to Gianti's Kitchen. I'm going to make the perfect goat meat stew for those who hate goat meat because of its strong taste and smell. The secret is using a lot of spices and sometimes sauces. So check out the description box for a full detail of the spices used. After the spices, give it a good rub, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. If it's freezer, 30 minutes to 1 hour. While it marinates in the fridge, I've got here chopped onions and garlic, vegetable oil, and salt. Of course, goat meat has less fats. I'll heat up the oil in the pan, add the chopped onion and garlic. This is to allow the garlic and the onion to be infused into the oil, which gives it a better flavor. Our aim here is to remove the gamey taste and smell of goat meat. So I'll drop the goat meat one by one into it. This is sort of like charring, which adds more flavor to anything you cook when you char. I didn't use much spices at the beginning, so as I go on, I'm going to add more seasoning cube, more spices, adding more salt. It's nicely charred now. I'll add the water so that the flavor and the juice will all mix together. After some minutes, I'm going to flip it over so that the other side gets cooked as well, and I cover it back. See when it's done. The meat is as tender as I want it to be. I'll fry the meat. Not many people can resist fried meats. Stew. I'm heating up some palm oil in our pot. I'm going to add pepper, tomato, and onion mix. This has been grinded and it has been boiled. I'm going to add tomato paste for that party taste, that feel. Hope you're feeling me. Add a little bit of seasoning cube, add salt, add spices if you want to again. I'm going to add the goat meat stock gradually. Cover and cook until it splatters. Just started splattering. Stew is just right. It is not too thick, it is not too thin. The meat goes in now. Cover and allow everything to simmer together. About 5 minutes or less, it should be done. About 5 minutes later, it is done, and the aroma doesn't smell much like goat's meat, and it is well seasoned.